The background of the project. In the traditional systems of this healthcare appointment booking system, they often lead to inefficiencies, long waiting times, and miscommunication between patients and healthcare providers. So the mission of this project is aimed to provide a solution that not only simplifies the process but also improve the experience for both patients and healthcare providers alike. With the user-friendly features in the system, such as appointment reminders, we aim to reduce no-shows, improve compliance, and foster transparency in healthcare services. The description: the healthcare appointment booking system is a web-based application designed to simplify and enhance the scheduling of medical appointments. The system allows patients and healthcare providers to register securely, ensuring data privacy and compliance with industry standards. It provides patients a user-friendly platform to search for healthcare providers, view their availability, and book appointments. Healthcare providers can efficiently manage their schedules and communicate with patients and integrate the system with health information for seamless access to patients' records information. This is Gantt chart for this project. As you can see, it displays list of tasks, the duration for the task, the name of the group member who is responsible to do the task, and milestone over a timelines. The timeline was divided by weeks. It gives a clear view of when each task starts and ends. The Gantt chart has a clear overview of the project's timeline and tasks.
In the case diagram, as you can see, for patient, the patient can register account, search available doctor, and book appointment. And for healthcare providers, uh, they can display available doctor, manage schedule, and approve appointment. Next, for flow of event, for the first example, schedule an appointment. The patient schedules an appointment with a healthcare provider, and the patient must log into the system, and the appointment is scheduled and confirmation is sent. If the selected time slot is unavailable, inform the patient to choose another time. Next, for the next example, cancel an appointment. The patient cancel a previously scheduled appointment. Patient has a scheduled appointment and the appointment is cancelled and confirmation is sent. If the appointment is within a specific cancellation period, inform the patient of any applicable charge. For view appointment details, the patient views details of a scheduled appointment. Patient has scheduled appointment and appointment details are displayed. If there are no scheduled appointments, inform the patient. For emergency appointment, the patient requests an emergency appointment. Patient must log into the system. Emergency appointment is scheduled and confirmation is sent. If the system cannot accommodate an emergency appointment, inform the patient to contact the healthcare provider directly. As you can see, the sequence diagram flow is simple. First, patient have to register the account, and then the details of the patient saved in database. Then the patient registration is successful and the account is created. And then the patient can log in and search available doctor. In the database, the list of doctor can be shown. And then the patient can book the appointment. After book the appointment, patient must confirm and approve the appointment so that the appointment status can be shown. Healthcare provider can manage the schedule and update the schedule.
This is the class diagram for the system. The control class is healthcare system. It is the system itself. The attribute of the system is account, appointment, schedule, and list doctor. The system will send the attribute data to the user and will update the data. And there were two boundary classes, which is the user of the system, it is patient and healthcare provider. For the first boundary class, which is patient, the attribute is account, appointment, and status. The class will uh, register the account for the new user and for log in using the existing account and searching for the available doctor and will book appointment for the patient. And for the second boundary class is healthcare provider. It has it has attribute that is appointment, list doctor, and schedule. The healthcare provider can display the data information, approving the booking appointment of the patient and manage the booking that patient made. And last is the the entity class. It has two entity, which is account and booking appointment. The account has detailed attribute, uh, which is that is account details, and the account will register the new account and will log in for the existing account. And for the second entity is booking appointment. The attribute is appointment and status. The in this entity class, it will book the appointment, update mm, the appointment list, and check for the available doctor for the patient request. This is architecture design for this system. The package is divided into three parts. Uh, the interface, data collection, and instrument. The data is seen with the class diagram before this. For the interface package, there were two boundary classes. The data collection is control class, and it is the system. And for the instrument package, there were two entity classes, account and booking appointment.
For milestone 4, we have testing part of the project. For the first module, we have a register module. The test scenario includes create account of patient. The test case example is to enter a plausibility email and the correct format for password. The precondition, it needs a valid email and password that follows the format. There are 3 steps in this test scenario, which is enter valid email, enter suitable password, click register button. The test data only includes valid email and password accepted. The expected result should be registered successfully. You can log in your account now. Actual result is as expected and the status should only pass or fail. This applies to the other test scenario. A test case for a login page verifies the functionality of the login process. It includes steps to enter valid and invalid credentials, checks for appropriate error messages, and ensures successful login, helping ensure the security and usability of the login feature. A test case for a search available doctor module involve entering specific search criteria such as doctor's name or specialty and verifying that the page returns relevant results. It ensures that the search functionality functions correctly, displaying accurate information about available doctors based on the provided input. A test case for the display available doctor module will verify that page correctly shows a list of doctors who are currently available. It should check if the displayed information includes accurate details about each doctor such as their name, specialization, and availability status. A test case for a book appointment module outlines specific steps and conditions to verify that the page functions correctly. It checks if users can successfully navigate, select desired dates or times, input relevant information, and complete the booking process without errors. The test case also considers scenarios like invalid inputs or unexpected behaviors, ensuring the reliability and effectiveness of the appointment booking feature. A test case for the approved appointment module outlines specific steps and the expected outcomes to verify that the page functions correctly. It involves actions such as logging in by the administrator, navigating to the approval section, selecting an appointment, and confirming approval. The test ensures that the approval process works as intended with proper validation and notification mechanism in place. A test case for manage schedule module. It includes scenarios like adding, editing, or deleting events, checking date and time validations, and ensuring proper display of the schedule. The goal is to systematically assess if the page performs as intended, helping maintain the reliability and effectiveness of the scheduling feature. In conclusion, a healthcare appointment booking system can enhance efficiency, improve patient satisfaction, improve operational efficiency, and can make overall improvement.